Every day, millions of young people go online to connect, but for too many, that connection becomes pain. According to UNICEF, studies indicate that up to 80% of Filipino teenagers have experienced cyberbullying. Cyberviolence impacts 44% of males and 43% of females aged 13 years old to 17 years old.
Cyberbullying is when someone using digital platforms like social media, messaging apps, or gaming chats to harm or harass others. It includes threats, humors, exclusion, and sharing private content without permission.
The impact goes beyond sleep. Cyberbullying can cause anxiety and depression, and isolation because online messages follow us everywhere. The pain ever really stop.
Students who are cyberbullied are twice as likely to experience depression and anxiety.
What can help stop cyberbullying, like supporting someone, and don't send hurtful contents like sending pictures without permission, and stop spreading rumors towards the person. And many more others that can hurt someone.
Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube have tools to report abuse, and talking to someone you trust can make all the difference.
Kita mo yan, Kuya? Sino yan? Sa iba niya na. Sa iba niya na.
Would suffer unkinder. Simple choice like standing up for someone and choosing empathy created real change.
Every voice matters, every action counts. Let's create a culture where kindness is louder cruelty. Together we can stop cyberbullying. Kind online.
Be kind, respectful, and stop cyberbullying.
Word online, art in real life. Always remember to think before you click. Kindness costs nothing. And always remember to be kind. You don't know what someone is going through. You are not alone. Be kind, be brave, stand against cyberbullying.